So this is the earliest I've ever been in Quartzsite. I'm used to having all that area full of tents, although there are quite a few, but not nearly as many as there will be in a week or two. And the big tent is normally right over in there, and that's not there yet. But there are quite a few of the jewelry stores and all that kind of stuff. But so I'm headed out of Quartzsite. This is the earliest I've actually been here. Last year after the van build, hung around for a bit at the casino more than I did this year, and then went up to Death Valley. So this year I decided to come down here for the Boondockers Bash. It's out at Dome Rock, which is a new area for me. But I just stopped at Randy's for my give it a try for the special steampunk burger. You'll have to look at last year's videos for that. They tried it again as a favor for me, and this year it just fell apart. Basically curly fries made into the bun for the burger. So anyway, I'm going to get up here, get over onto I-10 and go down a little ways. Supposedly I can just stay on this road. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll give that a try instead of getting out on the highway. It's only 4.5 miles to where my buddy is, so let's see how that works. Yeah, I chickened out. Having never been down that road, and I definitely want to see how it is getting off the highway here, and I can always come back into town that way and see how that goes. Now I got to merge into some traffic.
Continue on I-10 west for 5 miles.
It's a little farther, but the other road I was going to take is right next to the highway, so I can sort of keep an eye on it, see how it goes. So I'm going to put you guys down, pay attention to what I'm doing here. Oh, about halfway between Quartzsite and Ehrenberg, Dome Rock Road.
Exit 11.
And I could see the main encampment of everybody, but
800 feet.
Couldn't show you guys.
Dome Rock Road. And left onto Dome Rock Road.
Let's see if we fit under the bridge. Yeah, oh, lots of room.
Continue on Dome Rock Road for 2 miles.
So it looks like I could have come out this way and it was paved all the way from Quartzsite, apparently. So good to know. If I need to run into town, it's only about 5 miles. And so let's get down here, find out, see if I can find some friends and park. Well, a few people that were up at the van build have got a hold of me and told me that there's a bunch of schoolies down here, and a lot of people from the van build are headed down this way. Matter of fact, I think some projects that didn't get done might get done down here. So, we'll see who we run into. To get an idea. We're coming up on the edge of the encampment, and if you look over that way, you just see the tents we had at the van build, the admin tents set up. That'll be party central. So I think maybe I should use both hands to steer. Well, that's what I was looking for. It was Fritz, and somebody came down and told us where the camp host is. So I gotta go get my 14-day permit. And that's how BLM works. It doesn't cost anything, but you get a, just go to the camp host, sign up, get your 14-day permit, stay here, and then you can stay up to 14 days, and then you gotta leave. And I think you gotta go like 25 miles away, theoretically. So, no big surprise. Camp host says off duty. They don't even look like they're set up yet. So, we'll just have to check again. If somebody comes around, we'll just say, all right, if they're there, I'll sign up. But their job, basically, they're on duty there, and then they're supposed to drive around and visit people that come in, like when they're off duty, to sign them up. Quite a job. They get a campsite. I think they get a small stipend, so they can stay the whole season. So if that's something that you're interested in, go for it. Not a hard job. I think they're on duty like 8 hours a day, something like that. Well, I'm camped across the road from the main camp, which over there, you can see the tents. It's an easy walk, but after being in the middle of things at the van build, I decided I'd like to be on the fringe, go on the edge for a little bit. I-10 is right over there, but it's far enough away I can't hear it. It's supposed to be getting rain this afternoon. So far, I got to keep an eye on the clouds over there. Hopefully, our Thanksgiving feast at 1 o'clock, we will avoid a lot of any kind of weather. So I'm over here on the quiet edge of things instead of being in the middle of things like before. So we'll go over there and enjoy Thanksgiving in a little bit. I'm working on a potato and ham dish in there, and I hope you and yours are having a pleasant Thanksgiving, and you'll see you down the road. Bye, YouTube.